Hello, this is the application for site plan approval for the Boy Scouts of Camp Elmore, SP24-114 Camp Elmore. This is the site location located at 3251-3391 Southwest 142nd Avenue, Davie, Florida, 33330. As you can see, the site is located just east of I-75, north of Griffin Road. To the south of the site is Vista View Park. This is the zoning and future land use map from the town of Davie. The site, located in the red square, has the zoning designation of CR, commercial recreation, with a future land use of recreation/open space. To the west, north, and east, we are surrounded by residential, and to the south is the Vista View Park, recreational open space. This is a site aerial from Google Maps showcasing where the vicinity is going to be located within the site. The orange portion is where the project will be located. To the northeast corner, that is the location of the entry of the Boy Scouts camp, and to the southeast corner is an exit path. To further define the access into the site, this is the fire circulation plan located in the site plan submission. Again, on the northeast corner is where the entrance is. As you can see, the dark hatch road is where the main access road is into the site, followed by the southeast corner, which is where the site can be exited from. Again, this is the fire circulation plan. In addition to this plan, you see there are existing fire hydrants within the location of the site, which ties into the fire flow test, which was completed and came out all good, completed by the town of Davie. In this site plan, this is showcasing the extent of the work. The dotted black line showcases the overall area where we'll be doing the work. This also indicates where the light poles that are currently on site are going to remain. This also shows exactly where the existing sidewalks are going to remain. Overall, this is the extent of the demolition that is going to occur on site. This portion of the site plan is showcasing how we plan to handle the drainage areas on site, how we plan to maintain the water that is going to be running off from the buildings. To the north, we have swale, and to the west, we have swale that are going to contain all the water in this approximate area. This portion of the site plan is showcasing how we intend to connect to the existing connections on site. This is the utility connection plan. As you can see to the north, that is how we're attaching to the existing sewer for all of the sewer requirements of the building. In this site plan, we're showcasing how we're encountering the problem of handling the parking situation. The parking is going to be an extension of the existing parking. As of right now, it is being underutilized by the camp. So by utilizing the existing parking nearby and branching off the sidewalks, this is where the new buildings will be located. This is the floor plan for the entire project. We have 3 buildings. Starting from the left, we have a shell. In the middle, we have a pavilion, and for the far right, we have another shell building. The open pavilion will be the main focal point of the entire project, housing camp events for the entire Boy Scouts to use. Both shell buildings will be support buildings for what the events are going to hold in the near future. This is the material board we are proposing on our drawings. These materials are established from the existing buildings on site to match the existing architecture, what is currently there today. Here is a 3D rendering of the proposed project. To the far left, we have shell building A, in the middle, the pavilion, and to the far right, shell building B. The color texture, and materials reflect the existing architecture throughout the entire campsite. And overall, this rendering showcases the camp's vision for this proposed development. And here is an additional 3D rendering of the proposed development and the camp's vision for this development. As you can see, the open air pavilion is surrounded by the 2 shell buildings, which provide additional support for the pavilion. And you can see the pavilion is covering shade for future events as the summer heats get quite hot here in South Florida. Overall, this is the intent of the development, is to ultimately house future events to further support the camp's growth.